If you strive to see further than what's in front of you, if you look past the next deadline, the next dollar, the next deal, well, then you'll see the bigger picture. You'll see the potential for growth and the possibility of harnessing energy from the sun. You'll discover greener pastures and lay a cable after you've run out of land.
What do you think? You like them?
You'll see the power of technology and build hopes and dreams out of sand and stone. You'll bridge the gap between past and future and the distances that keep us apart. Because when you look at the world differently, you may just change it for good.